Elon Musk, the visionary innovator. Elon Musk is a name synonymous with innovation, ambition, and a relentless drive to push the boundaries of human potential. As the founder of multiple groundbreaking companies like Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company, Musk has redefined industries and set audacious goals, from colonizing Mars to transitioning the world to sustainable energy. Early life and challenges. Born on 28 June 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk displayed a knack for technology and entrepreneurship from a young age. At 12, he created and sold a video game called Blaster. However, his early years were not without struggles. Growing up, Musk faced bullying and a turbulent family life, which shaped his resilience and determination. In 1989, Musk moved to Canada to attend Queen's University, later transferring to the University of Pennsylvania, where he earned degrees in physics and economics. His academic pursuits laid the foundation for his ventures in energy, technology, and space exploration. Founding PayPal and early success. Musk's entrepreneurial journey took off when he co-founded Zip2, a software company that provided business directories and maps for newspapers. Compaq acquired Zip2 for nearly $300 million in 1999, giving Musk his first major financial success. He then co-founded X.com, an online payment platform that eventually became PayPal after a merger. In 2002, eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion, providing Musk with the capital to pursue his bigger dreams. SpaceX, reaching for the stars. In 2002, Musk founded SpaceX with the ambitious goal of reducing space transportation costs and making life multiplanetary. Despite early failures, SpaceX achieved significant milestones, including the first privately funded spacecraft to reach orbit, reusable rocket technology, and the first private company to send astronauts to the International Space Station. Projects like the Starship aim to make Mars colonization a reality. Tesla, accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Musk joined Tesla Motors in 2004, a year after its founding, and played a pivotal role in transforming the automotive industry. Tesla's electric vehicles, such as the Model S, Model 3, and Cybertruck, have set new standards for performance, design, and sustainability. Beyond cars, Tesla's ventures into solar energy and battery storage align with Musk's vision of a greener future. Neuralink and the Boring Company. Musk's ventures extend beyond Earth and energy. Neuralink, founded in 2016, focuses on developing brain-computer interface technology to help treat neurological conditions and enhance human cognition. Meanwhile, the Boring Company aims to revolutionize urban transportation through underground tunnels, reducing traffic congestion and increasing efficiency. Leadership style and vision. Musk is known for his intense work ethic, often working over 100 hours a week, and his hands-on approach to leadership. He is both admired and criticized for his bold decision-making, unfiltered communication style, and unwavering focus on long-term goals. His vision is rooted in addressing humanity's existential challenges, from climate change to ensuring the survival of the human species. Legacy and impact. Despite controversies and challenges, Elon Musk's contributions have reshaped industries and inspired a new generation of innovators. Whether it's through sustainable transportation, space exploration, or advanced technologies, Musk's work embodies the spirit of daring to dream big and act decisively. As Musk often says, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. His journey serves as a testament to the power of persistence, vision, and the belief that the impossible is just the starting point.